In this video, we will learn the variable and simple data types. Well, you're wondering what is variable and what is the data types. Well, you will come to know in this video. So, what is variable? Let's give an example for that. A variable is like a box in which you can store anything like number, string. String is name like Laksh and Rohan, Aman, something like that. So, for example, it's my own example. So, when you get a box from Amazon, there's a name written at the top of box. So, Laksh written, suppose, and inside that box trimmer is there. So Laksh equals to trimmer, and because if you want to get the box, so we firstly print Laksh. We say, give me the Laksh, give me the box of Laksh. So we are just giving the name, and we are getting the output as a product, which is trimmer. So this is the example that is given by myself, made by myself. Well, uh, let's see the theory part of it. A variable is like a label or a name that stores some information. Python use variable to remember data and use it later. It stores data so that it can use afterward in future. Well, we'll see in upcoming seconds, upcoming minutes. Well, hello world.py. Well, you're wondering why .py is there. Well, it means .py tells the computer this is the Python file. Suppose we are making a file for text editor. So we are making a file for text editor. So we generally write txt for text file. But if you want to, if computer want to read the file as a Python file, so we use .py. Well, the Python interpreter reads the file line by line. What means, uh, in Python, the line is read by line by line. It means that suppose there is a code and we have to we want to execute it. So we just click it. So inside the machine, inside the computer, it will read the line, first line, second line, third line, fourth line. This is known as line by line interpreter. Basically, interpreter reads this in the form of line by line. It's line file line by line. It understands what each word means. Basically, it understands what each word means, and when it sees print, it shows that it is inside the bracket on the screen. Output hello Python world. We have written this, and the output is this. Interpreter, easy meaning. Well, you're wondering what is interpreter? Well, a helper that reads Python code and tells the computer what to do. Basically, it reads the file that you have given in your text editor, or you have made a file of Python. So it gives that to interpreter so that interpreter can read. It's like a machine who reads the code. Why words are in different color in write? Well, you're wondering just like this, why codes are in different colors. This is a different language. This is JavaScript. So we are just giving. I'm just giving you the answer, live example of this. So this is, there is different color, blue, light blue, and green. This kind of colors. So so why there's colors in it? Because uh, this is called syntax highlighting. Syntax highlighting easiest meaning of it, showing code in different colors so it easy to read and understand. Just like important lines in a book are highlighted with a marker, bookmark and highlighting the particular, just like I'm highlighting this. So this is also a good way to just highlight, and so it make easy to see that it is important or it is something that depends on, means different color represent different meaning in the code.